Hello, this is Avi Ben David at Mulholland. Quick video. Already shot a video for that property, which is very detailed, but I wanted to take another one just before I leave here and show you this beautiful work. We did the pillars in here, the power low voltage for the doorbird in here, which is a system that works through your smart device, and you can open the gate from anywhere you are, and you can see also who is outside. And this is a sliding gate, a pedestrian gate, all that fence going all the way up. We did about 6 pedestrian gates also inside the property, kind of on the side, and also covering some equipment and such. This is all material that will last for years and years and years without, of course, getting rusty or anything like that. This is all powder coated aluminum, which is better than anodized. It's about a level or two better than anodized. Where you don't have those fungus that coming on anodized after a while. This thing will last for a long time, looking good. I'm gonna get closer so you can see the perfection of everything. Look how beautiful everything is. Look at the quality of the paint, which is high quality powder coated. It all goes through chemicals that takes away any kind of oil, debris, things like that. And then we kind of scratching it a little bit so everything gets in. The paint goes in and sit there like real hard. Even trying to scratch it, unless you do it real hard, you can't really scratch it. Look at how the sliding gate is encased into the receiving post over here. Let's get closer to the pedestrian gate. This is the doorbird. With this thing you can gain access by putting in a code, or if you call in, the cell phone of the owner here will ring. He will see who is outside and decide if to open it or not. And this is the pedestrian gate. If you're a detailed oriented person, go ahead and take a look at how beautiful everything is. Those kind of jobs are hard to get, hard to find people who can do this kind of fabrication and installation as well. But especially the fabrication, to fabricate something like that to such a perfection is kind of rare. And that's from a lot of experience. And that's done by Mulholland. Mulholland is the name of a street that goes all the way from Hollywood Hills to Malibu in a beautiful area, so our accountability level is very high. We're working with a lot of successful homeowners that been around the block a few times, and they know their stuff, and they're asking for quality. And this is where we're coming in. If you're looking for quality and very high price value, it's very hard to compete with us in prices as well, because our value is very high, and we're always finding the best ways to figure out how to save money to our clients, and how to bring stuff to them and to the market that not going to break the bank. So here it is. This is a beautiful house in beautiful California, Encino. And if you need our help, please go ahead and give us a call, 1-800-562-5770. My name is Avi Ben David at Mulholland Security. We can help you with all your security needs, by the way, all the electronic access systems, cameras, things like that. We have amazing team of people, the best technicians probably in the industry, amazing project managers, and just a great team of people that together we're executing hundreds of jobs, if not thousands, every year. And that gives us an advantage of having huge amount of experience, tackling a lot of issues that we're learning from and improving and making things better and better and better. We have a lot of inventions in the industry that we came up with, solutions to many situations. We're doing the rising gates that coming out of the ground. We're doing all the aluminum powder coated. We're doing the glass railings that can go up to 9 feet by a click of a button. We're doing gates that go into both sides. We're doing tandem gates. We're doing gates that going uphill. So all those things are coming out to be a benefit to our clients. And we love our clients. We love to service our clients in the best way possible and give them a great experience. And that's about it. My name is Avi Ben David, 1-800-5625-770. Thank you and have a beautiful day. Thank you for watching.